Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be playing with my pet dog Paris. Now if you do hear any noise that isn't either me or Colton, just know my mom is currently on the phone. Anyway, we are going to start playing with Paris. Although here she is in her bed.
Come on out, Paris.
She might sleep.
We can't have you sleep. We're trying to do video liberty.
So first I'm going to show you all of the toys Paris has. So she has this rope for tug of war. And this dental health pink bone chew toy, chicken flavored. And then Paris really likes to play with this. It's a squeaky pink dog stuffed animal. It's basically a chew toy. When you press one of the lids, it squeaks. And then Paris also has this blue bone chew toy with these little tag things. Now this one, she obviously loves to chew, because if you guys can see well enough, she really chewed it up. And then this is the only other toy she has. It's the pink and green ball. This is like a pinkish red color. So these are the toys Paris has. And then my brother is actually holding Paris. Oops, I turned it to selfie when it was already on what I wanted it on. So, what should we play first with Paris? We can play like anything. She's up close to the camera. Paris was up close to the camera. Hi.
I think she wants to play with this.
So, I think she might play with her favorite dog chew toy. Oh, so Colton, let Paris play with it, because I want to film her playing with it. So let's see how Paris plays with it. Watch, she's like chewing on it. Aww. I don't want to make the toy squeak because I think it might scare her. She doesn't have her harness or her collar on right now. Sadly, her collar is cute and a little bit big on her, because Paris is still only a puppy. And you know she's half Chihuahua, half Yorkie. She's a Chorkie. Wow, Paris, you love playing like that. So I think maybe next we'll play fetch with her after she does her chewing and stuff. Although I think she might be falling asleep.
Don't fall asleep now. Want to play fetch? Want to play fetch?
So basically Paris figured out fetch on her own.
Paris, see the ball? Go fetch. It's not that far away, but she went to it.
She actually
she
did
went for the ball today.
Oh, now she's got the ball. She's got the ball.
She really likes that ball.
Paris, see the ball? See it, girl? I think she's busy chewing on her chew toy. Paris, see this ball? See it, Paris? I guess she doesn't see it.
She's chewing on the carpet.
Oh, Paris, no.
No, Paris. No.
Don't chew on the carpet.
See it?
See the ball? Go.
Who's here? Hey, who's here? Paris, who's here?
Oh, she got excited over the fact that my dad came home. Oh, she's running. Paris, want to do tug of war?
No, yours was it was him.
So Paris actually gets excited whenever my dad comes home. So now Paris is over with my brother sitting on the couch. Well, now she just moved. So I think we're gonna try to do tug of war with Paris. Fetch didn't turn out perfect. Seriously, it did not turn out perfect. Not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all. Not at all. I keep saying that a million times. Now my parents are talking and Paris is running. She's actually good at sitting and stuff for the camera because she's interested in electronics, I guess. Colton, get Paris over here and then do tug of war with her.
Oh, got it.
So now Colton and Paris are gonna do a tug of war. Paris.
Oh, yeah, itchy. Please.
All dogs get fleas.
She's coming over to you.
Oh. I know. So
This is not going as planned.
So this video isn't going out as planned. Colton, I want you to film me. Be careful. And I'm gonna try to play tug of war with Paris.
Here she comes.
Oh. Okay. Hang on. Let me switch it to. Okay. Film here, Paris. Paris? Aw, she's going the wrong way. No. Come on, Paris. Come. Oh.
Hi. Hi.
So she's currently playing. So I hope. So before I upload this video, I'm gonna see if it was actually fun, and if it is a good video, then I will upload it. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Bye. Subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.